besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now today is Valentine's Day. Well, today is Valentine's Day, but you guys are going to be seeing it tomorrow, 15th, this video. And I am so excited because today is self-love, self-care day. As we don't have any man that will send us Valentine flowers and everything, we have to self-love and make ourselves happy by making our skin glow and everything. So today I am going to be using the Uncover skincare products. Now you guys remember this that I showed you guys in one of my previous videos. This is the skincare kits that Uncover actually gave me. They also gave me this amazing green tea sheet mask. So that's what it is, and these products. So this is the cleanser, this is the moisturizer, and this is the sunscreen. I think I even put it the wrong way. So this is here. So this is the first thing I'm going to use today. Then I'm going to use this sheet mask, and then I'm going to moisturize and put the sunscreen on my face. So I'm going to go out today, so I need to do my self-care stuff this morning. And yeah, this is what I'm going to use, and let's get started basically. So guys, I already have my headband right here so that my hair is out of the way once I'm cleansing. So guys, before I start, I'm going to just wipe my face a little bit because I read that they said, so here they're like how to use an adequate amount twice daily on dampened skin. So your skin shouldn't be dry. So I'm just going to use this to clean my face a little bit, so the dampness can still be on my face. So now that I've done that, I'm going to now take the cleanser, and I'm going to take an adequate amount basically. So let me not take too much first because I don't want it to be. Okay. Feels so smooth on the skin. So you have to like cleanse every part of your face. I'm not going to fast forward anything. I want you guys to see the process, like every single process, except the 20 minutes I'm going to be waiting with the sheet mask. So that one I'm not going to like. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'm going to just go and wash it off once I'm. Just add a little bit more to my forehead. So I'm going to wash off my face now, and I will come back to show you guys what my face looks like. So guys, I'm back, and I'm just like wiping the excess water on my face. Yeah, my face feels clean. Next up, I'm going to use the sheet mask. So guys, let's use it together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. So the instruction is prep your skin for the sheet mask by cleansing and toning. So I've cleansed already. Unfold and apply the mask to your face. Smooth to fit comfortably. Leave on for 20 minutes and rub the excess serum on your neck, arms, and hands. Remove mask and follow up with Argan Hydrating Moisturizer, which is this one, and Aloe Invisible Sunscreen. So guys, let's get into it. So let's use this. about to look very funny right now as I'm putting this on my face. So this is it. Yeah, let's do this. Let's unfold this part as well. So guys, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to remove it in 20 minutes, but I'm going to show you guys how I'm removing it and everything. Okay, so guys, I think I've smoothened it enough. So in 20 minutes, I'm going to come back to show you guys what it looks like. But before then, I'm going to put this remaining serum on my skin, basically. So whatever is remaining, oh no, in my neck, my hands. So yes, they said your hands, your neck, your arms. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is me. So I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. I can't record the 20 minutes, but I'll see you guys once it's 20 minutes. You guys are gonna see how rejuvenated my skin is. So guys, it's been 20 minutes and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to remove it right now. So I'm just going to put this. So do not reuse your mask. So just put it and dispose it. So I'm done with that. And this is what my face looks like. I'm going to wait for it to sink in, for the serum to sink in basically, before I use my moisturizer. So I want it to sink in a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I think I'm ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the moisturizer. Now I'm going to use some of the older one because there's still something inside. face after using the moisturizer. Now the next thing I'm going to use is the sunscreen, because we have to protect our skin, and this sunscreen does not leave a white cast on the face. Guys, this sunscreen is amazing. So guys, let's use the sunscreen. So I'm going to put it on my So I always see this online when they put it on 2 fingers, and I'm like, oh, when would I do that? So yes, guys, this is it. So I'm going to just rub it on my face. Yes, guys. Ooh, look at my skin. Ah, it's glowing. It's glowing. So you're supposed to put sunscreen, I think they wrote 15 minutes before you go out in the sun, and I would soon be going out. So this is the best time to actually use it. Ooh. So guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my skincare routine. Happy Valentine's Day. Well, today is Valentine's Day, but you guys are going to be seeing it tomorrow, 15th, this video. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post sewing tutorials, crochet tutorials, gadget reviews, sometimes food recipes. Like, I do a lot of things on this channel. So this channel is, it actually has something that is for you, basically. So guys, go check it out. I have skincare stuff as well. Yeah, makeup tutorials, like a simple makeup tutorial. I have one on my live. I did a live one time and it was amazing. Yes, guys, that's all I have for this video. If you have any questions or anything, any information you would like to know about Uncover Skincare, hit me up in the comment section, or you can send a DM on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to answer your questions. And yes, guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share within and outside your circle. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.